Hey, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are going to be making meatloaf. I have about 3 pounds of 80/20 ground beef in here. And over here, I have a nice sized onion diced. I have green and yellow bell pepper, about a half a cup diced. I wish I had some red, I thought I did. For color for later. And I have about 3 cloves of garlic diced. Lots of garlic. I also have to add into this, I have my 2 eggs here. Let me beat them a bit. Okay. So 2 eggs. And in this bowl of dry seasoning, I have a half a tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a half a tablespoon of black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna mix these up really good. I have some fresh thyme here. I just want to get the leaves off. I just want to rip the leaves off in there. Can you put those seeds back in that one for me, the big one? So when I'm done, I'll just put the seeds back in the big one for me, please. Just in the big one, not the small one. The chair. Put the seats back in, the cushions back in. Put a half a teaspoon of grated ginger. And here is my breadcrumb. Put a half a cup of breadcrumb in here. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands. And let me get in here. No, I forgot my low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. What's so funny? Whoops. Let's get in here. Ooh, girl, I heard that. Okay, get it all mixed up. Get it really good. Okay, let me wash my hands again and I'll be back. Okay, I'm preheating my oven to 350. My baking pan over here. I just lightly sprayed the bottom. I'm tempted to make meatballs. I don't know if I have my meatball stir fry on here yet. But this is gonna be similar to the meatball stir fry meatballs. Okay. I'm trying to make it look decent. What are you saying, girl? Guys, I have my oven preheated to 350. I'm going to wrap this in foil paper. And I will see you back in about 45 minutes. Okay guys, so our meatloaf is almost done cooking. So I'm preparing the sauce that's gonna go on top of the meatloaf. I have in this cup here 3/4 cup of water. I have a 1/2 cup of soy sauce, tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar if you choose. And I have a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and I have about a tablespoon of cornstarch for thickening. I'm gonna add a pinch of red pepper flakes for spice. Okay, so we're gonna move over to the burner now, okay? So in this pan here, I have about a tablespoon of my grapeseed oil. Let me heat that up. Here, I'm going to add a 1/2 stick of butter to this. I'm going to add a pinch of sesame seed oil to the liquid mixture that I made earlier. Maybe about a teaspoon. and saute. Okay, the butter is melted, the pan is heated. Let me add, I have one onion over here sliced. And I have 2 cloves of garlic minced. Oh, also I forgot to tell you, in this too, I also have about a half a teaspoon of fresh minced ginger. Put a little pinch of leaves from a fresh sprig of thyme. Just the leaves. Let's pour this in here. I'm going to add a half a cup of ketchup. Add my slices of yellow and green bell peppers. Thought I had red. Somehow I didn't have any red. Get this to a boil and get a nice thick rich consistency. See you in a couple minutes. Okay, my sauce is perfect just the way I want it. It tastes scrumptious. The taste is divine. Sweet and spicy meatloaf, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna get meatloaf out the oven. To remove the excess fat and oil. As much as okay. I'm gonna break my meatloaf apart. Do this. gonna cook the meatloaf in the oven in the sauce for about another 30 minutes. I will see you back in 30. So my meatloaf is ready. So I'm going to pull it out the oven. Okay, here we go. So good. I'm serving this with some white rice, broccoli and carrots, just like I do when I do my meatballs or when I do my stir fry. Okay, so I have a plate here with a little bit of rice, broccoli and carrots. So let's just get a piece of meatloaf on top of that one. A little this grape juice. Okay guys, and that is my sweet and spicy meatloaf. So good. I like to do this with meatballs as well. Oh my God. Yes. Simple Sunday dinner. So scrumptious, guys. Thank you so much for watching. From my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours. Thank you for the support. God bless, and you have a wonderful time enjoying delicious home cooked meals. Thank you so much.